Nebraska and looking up some things to do. This is a Tornado Hill Memorial. There's actually not a plaque set up for it yet. They've been trying to get funding for it. But when was it? 1980? It was predicted to have like a slight chance of thunderstorms. They ended up having 7 significant tornadoes that night here in Grand Island, Nebraska. And it really devastated the area. And so what they did is I guess their landfill was full just because of all the debris, and they ended up digging a big hole. They decided to dig a big hole and then fill and burn and fill and burn all of the debris from those tornadoes. And that's what this is. It's impressive. 1980. So they just celebrated a 40-year anniversary for it. Again, they're trying to get a plaque set up for it, but this is the devastation from 7 tornadoes in one night. It just destroyed the whole area. It's cold. Wasn't it, buddy? He didn't care.
Took the dog to the dog park. It's a beach. Well, where's the water? Oh, you can see the water right there. They got like a little island for the dogs. I guess that's what they call it. Dog Island. With the golf course over here.
And a cold person right here.
Well, what do we have here? This place is amazing. Was amazing. We're done. But Street Park, Aurora, Nebraska. Donations accepted. It is a free campground. I'd say mostly full hookups. We stayed all the way in the back corner. Each camper gets their own water and electrical. I think they had 30 and 50, and then as you can tell, there's a dump station. So it's October, it's still open, and even the water and everything, it's kind of winterized. It's located in a park here in Aurora, pretty much on the northern side. When you come in, it's a small town. I think there's a few thousand people, but in the summertime, I can imagine this being really popular with the water park. And there's a huge trail system. This road is part of it, but it goes all the way up and around the park. I would say not even just the park. If you go this way, it actually goes into the town. So I'd say miles and miles long. We've all walked a lot of it. Bathrooms are still open. Again, it's October. The shower house bathroom. It's not a shower house. I'm sorry, guys. It's still kind of early. There's a co-ed bathroom right there on the side of that building that's still open in October. And then here's where you drop your donations. The visitor guide, Aurora, Nebraska. It's a little faded, but there's also the donation card. So, it's getting cold, so we're leaving, but again, this park was fantastic. Dumps, electric, water, and it was really quiet. So dog friendly as well.
It's been foggy all day, but slowly making some progress. About to enter a new state.
Arrived at our next spot. We're just gonna stay here tonight. Yeah, we're just passing through. We're just gonna stay here one night. This is Lyons in, you know, I can't remember the name of the town. They got bathrooms. There she is. Has this little pavilion I'm standing in. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. That's us right there. 5, 6, 7, 8 free camp spots with electricity. Like I said, we're just going to stay here one night and we're going to head out in the morning, trying to beat the cold weather on our way to warmer places. There's old Rusty, old crusty Rusty. We've left the other camp spot we was just at. We only spent one night there. It was Lyons. Yeah, Lyons. Lyons was the name of the town, and it was Lyons Campground. And now we're getting back on the road. We stopped to get gas. Fixing to head to Albuquerque. Okay. So we stayed tonight, or last night. It's just a quick overnight stay at San John, I think is what it's called. Just a little free parking area. They call it a campground. It's just a parking area. No electricity, no water. Oh, there it is. That'll help you right here. San John Park, free overnight parking. It's just a little, I guess you call it a city park. Really nothing here. In the middle of nowhere. As you can see, the town here is pretty. There's nothing here. Absolutely nothing. There's a gas station. But it's quiet. We've stayed here a couple, or twice I think, before. It's pretty quiet, nice place to stay. Didn't have any trouble. The wind's really blowing today. That's the reason I've got you looking at the same thing. I can't turn around. But just for a quick overnight stay, this is perfect. But we're moving on because we're trying to outrun a bad snowstorm. Okay, let me pause it.